So today I'm going to be replacing the wing on the Audi A4 with a new one. Come with me and see how it's done. As you can see, this one is bubbly, rusty and knackered really, so let's get that swapped over. First step, jack up the car. Next step, take the wheels off. Okay, so wheels off. Next step is all of these screws here. This has got to come off. There's some around here as well. So come back when that's done. Right, with the shroud removed, you're going to have to remove this bar here, this little thing up here, this plastic thing, these bolts here, and there's some behind there as well. Yuck. Which we need to take the side skirt off. There's some bolts underneath and there's some bolts inside the car. I'll come back when it's a little bit more disassembled. Okay, so I'm just going to show you all the bolts are. So there's two under there, one there, one there. There is one there, one above it, up there in that silver thing. There is 3 Torx bolts there. There's 2 10mm bolts there. There's one hidden behind, just behind there where that red flap is. And there's also one just in there inside the door. To get this off, there are screws that go in there. You have to open the door, flip this thing away, and then you can get to the screws that are in there. They're a T20, and all of these are T30. Now it's all loose, just lifts away. Result, as you can see, I've now put the new wing on, no rust spots, and it looks pretty amazing. So it's pretty easy to put on, it's just the reverse of when I took it off, and then jobs are good in. Stay tuned for another video.